Students, whenever we start anything special or new, what we do? We do prayer. So today, let's start with this prayer. I can. I can be good. So, students, you should be good for everywhere and every time where behavior, character, personality means all over should be good. I can be obedient. You should be obedient about your elders, parents, and teachers. I can work hard. You should be hardworking. I can speak the truth. You should always speak the truth. Don't lie ever. I can share with others. You should share your things to others. I can be polite. You should be calm and polite. I can be healthy. You should be healthy by eating good food. I can make the world a better place. So you should do to give effort to change the world by your work. Now, now I am giving you half yearly syllabus. I can prayer. Next chapter 1 count your blessings. Chapter 2 don't be lazy. Quotations and then be a peacemaker. Chapter 3. Chapter 4 can you be trusted? Then prayer, then quotations, and then we are one. Chapter 5. Then that's my view. Chapter 6. Now move to next topic. First of all, we start to remember what God has given to all of us. And when you think you get your answer is His blessings in different way. So now you well know that what I am going to start. Unit first, count your blessings. Now see the first stanza of the poem. Don't grumble that the boring day has begun. When you wake up with the bright sun, thank God that all things are going well. And the earth is a bright, beautiful place to dwell. So in the first stanza, poet says that when we wake up in the morning, we don't complain that as usual boring day has started. You should thank God for that we are well, our family is well, God all the way protect us and save us from harm. And He has given us beautiful world to live in. Now see second stanza. Don't grumble when you are asked to drink milk. In many places, people don't even have water to drink. Thank God that you can enjoy 3 meals a day and there are so many good things coming your way. So in the second stanza, poet says that don't complain when your elder tell you to drink milk because in many places, people don't have to drink even water. Thank to God who has given us food to eat and so many good things He is planning to give us. Now see third stanza. Grumble that your shoes are looking old. There are some who walk barefoot in the heat and cold. Thank God that you have things that you need and never give in to temptations and greed. So in the third stanza, poet says that don't complain if your shoes become old because some people are not having shoes and walk barefoot in sunny days and in extreme cold. So you should thank to God who has given so many things in our need, but never show your excessive desire for what you don't have. Now see fourth stanza. Don't grumble that you have so much to do. Think of those ill in bed, wishing time flew. Thank God that you are keeping fit and fine, for there's nothing worse than wasting time. So, in the fourth stanza, poet says that don't complain if you are having so much workload. Just think of those people who are ill and wishing to recover as soon as they can. So, it's time to thank to God who has given you good health and keep you fit and fine to do your work on time. because the most worst part is to wasting time due to illness. So students, I will explain 5th, 6th and 7th stanza in the next video. Homework for this class is that at least 7 write down at least 7 blessings that God has given to you in your notebook.